In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix low volume on your AirPods Pro 3. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, let's say you're using your AirPods Pro 3 on your phone or laptop, anything like that. I'll be showing you if they're connected to your phone, what to do if your volume's low. So firstly, what you want to do is swipe down on the top right of your screen. It's going to bring up your control panel. Then just make sure your volume slider is actually turned up. Now you can have your volume up for different things. So for example, if you're playing music, there's going to be a slider here, which is going to be separate to the default one that's here. So make sure this is up. But if you're listening to music, then you can just go over to this tab, make sure this one is up. Now, another thing you can do is also go over to your settings, scroll down, and then you're going to basically go ahead and find sounds and haptics. So go ahead and click on that right there. Then you're going to see a lot of different things here, but you want to go down to headphones. So we can go to headphone safety being the first option, and you want to make sure that reduce allowed audio is not enabled. If that's enabled, that literally might be why your volume is low. So just make sure that is not enabled. And then what you could also do is I'm going to press that again, go back to sounds and haptics, scroll all the way down. You can also personalize spatial audio if you want to, but then after that, you should be good to go. You can even turn off reduce loud sounds, which is one of these options here, and that should also help. But if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.